Hey folks, welcome to our vlog. Today we brought you this amazing wooden artwork by Woodsify. From a while, I was very keen in having this art piece on this wall, and finally here it is. This is an interesting DIY artwork and I'm really excited to show you guys. Chalo, let's get started. Here's the product and let's unbox it. Looks like this is a user guide on how to install with piecewise numbering. The quality of the wood is pretty decent and I like the colors they used to differentiate the countries. These are some of the islands and there are plenty of them. Look at the detailing guys, I'm quite impressed with the detailing. These are a few of the smallest pieces available in the box and there are close to 80 to 90 pieces altogether, which includes various countries as well as the smallest to the small islands. Instead of directly sticking them onto the wall, just to avoid the confusion, we decided to arrange the number wise provided since there were plenty of pieces. This is how it looks after arranging them. As I said earlier, there are close to 80 to 90 pieces altogether. Once we gained confidence, we started to stick them on the wall. They have provided double-sided tape for us to stick them onto the wall. For our wall size, this is the medium size what we have ordered. Also, they have couple of other options like L and XL. This looks pretty good on the wall after installation. However, we felt that it was behind the low light. So, we decided to install a couple of spotlights which would enhance the look of this wooden art. So I called a guy from Urban Company who helped me to fix these lights. This is how the lighting looks after installation. One, two, three. Ta-da! This is how it looks after complete installation. It is looking much better than what I expected. We hope you guys like this video and the product details and Amazon link will be attached in the below description. Please check it out if you guys are interested. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off.